Hello YouTube, today I am showing you another retro system. This one is the complete package, and this one is been lying in my store for quite long time. I picked up this system. It is from COMPAQ. Back in the day that they were completely separated from HP, and later on completely taken over by the HP. Now they became HP COMPAQ. They used to make systems and monitors. Okay, coming to back to the system. This one is a system, and the motherboard is from Asus. As you can see, the fan. Uh, it has an Athlon 64, a single core system, and let me show you my complete system like this. It is an HP Presario. It is compatible with XP, designed for XP, and Nvidia sticker, as well as the 64 Athlon 64 sticker as well. It is in very good condition. The front IO, sound, card readers, and as well as a DVD. The condition of the system is quite good, and it has an PCI Express slot. The motherboard is, if I can zoom, A8M2N-LE. This is from Asus. And interesting thing is about this motherboard is that it has an Nvidia chipset, the South Bridge, for its SATA ports and as well as VGA out. It has it supports DDR2 RAM. I put a single channel DDR2 with 800 megahertz, and it supports quite well. This is a complete system I bought from the junkyard. Completely restored it back in the day. It supports SATA ports as well as PATA. Both of them, this DVD-ROM is in PATA, and this DHDD is in the SATA connection. Okay, about this chipset, Nvidia chipset, is that it has an chipset. If I remember it correctly, this one is 615P 6150 SE, and it is in the shared memory. Let me install Windows XP and show you how this system works. Meanwhile, I will tell you that it has the IO has keyboard, mouse, single VGA out, and 4 USB, and LAN and sound. Let me install Windows XP and the respective drivers, and we will continue from that, and we'll tell you how the devices run on this system. Coming to the first boot, let me show you. Everything is spinning, and we have a boot. Oh, Windows XP. It has a Windows XP installed. Okay, XP is installed. Let me connect the sound, and we will go from there. The sound is working. Okay, this is the task manager. As you can see, it's a single core system with a total memory of 2 GB. I installed 2 GB. Single stick of RAM. Let me show you the system. Let me zoom in for you guys. As you can see, it's an Athlon 64 processor, 3500 plus, 2.2 gigahertz, and almost 2 GB of RAM. Let me show you the graphics properties. Let me correct this. Look at this one. Look at this. This is an GeForce 6150 LE SELE, and let me show you the. Okay, it has a 256 MB of memory, and this one is 6150. Let me install Crisis, and we will come back to see how it performs. Let's run Crisis on it. I don't think so it will run very good, but let's see. The screen is black. Oh, it ran. Look at the FPS. This is the CPU is 800. There is no reading of GPU. All are low off. Look at the menu. Look at the FPS, it's like so low. Look at the FPS.
The North Koreans have assumed control. They're rounding up civilians outside. Fury discovering or change the future of the planet. The Koreans don't know what they're doing.
It's really bad. It's really bad. It's really bad. Let me think of something else. Let me find Far Cry and see how it performs on this graphics card. Wait, let me find a graphics card. Let me find Far Cry. It's really bad. Okay, I have installed Far Cry, and this is the setup. Look at this way. It's running fine. Check on that one, okay. I think there is an error, but you can see that how it performs. Let me get to the. Let me find a good level of good far cry, and we will come back.